Smartsheet has carved out a unique niche in the project management and work collaboration space. Its strength lies in its familiar spreadsheet-like interface combined with powerful project management features like Gantt charts, automation, and real-time collaboration. This blend makes it appealing to users who are comfortable with spreadsheets but need more robust tools for managing complex projects and workflows. However, no single tool is a perfect fit for every team or project. When clients ask me, what tool is similar to Smartsheet? It often comes from a place of either exploring alternatives due to specific feature gaps, pricing considerations, or a desire for a slightly different user experience. The good news is that the market is rich with strong contenders that offer similar, or even enhanced, capabilities depending on your priorities. To answer that question effectively, we need to understand what makes a tool similar to Smartsheet. Generally, it means a platform that excels in grid/spreadsheet-like interface. This is often the primary draw of Smartsheet, the ability to organize data in rows and columns, much like Excel or Google Sheets, but with added intelligence. Collaborative work management, real-time sharing, comments, notifications, and permission controls are crucial. Project management features, task tracking, deadlines, dependencies, critical path, and often Gantt charts. Automation, the ability to automate repetitive tasks, notifications, and workflows. Reporting and dashboards, visualizing data to track progress and make informed decisions. Integration capabilities, connecting with other business tools like email, cloud storage, and CRM systems. With these criteria in mind, here are some of the top tools that project managers often consider as strong alternatives or similar platforms to Smartsheet. 1. Airtable, the relational database spreadsheet. Airtable is arguably one of the closest competitors to Smartsheet, particularly for teams that love the spreadsheet interface but crave more database-like power. Similarities to Smartsheet. It offers a flexible grid view that looks and feels like a spreadsheet. You can easily add various field types, text, dates, attachments, checkboxes, single/multiple select options, just like Smartsheet. It's highly collaborative, supporting real-time updates and comments. Key differences/advantages. Where Airtable truly shines is its relational database capabilities. You can link records across different tables, creating powerful connections between tasks, projects, clients, and resources. This makes it incredibly flexible for building custom workflows, tracking complex data relationships, and even building light applications without code. It also offers a wider array of view options beyond just grid and Gantt, including Kanban, calendar, and gallery views. Best for teams that manage complex datasets, need to create custom databases for unique workflows, and value a no-code development approach for specific solutions. 2. Monday.com, the Visual Work OS. Monday.com is a highly visual and intuitive work operating system, Work OS, that can handle a wide range of use cases, including project management. Similarities to Smartsheet. It uses a colorful, column-based interface that, while not a traditional spreadsheet, is very akin to a grid for organizing tasks and data. It offers excellent collaborative features, automation capabilities, various views, including Gantt, Kanban, and calendar, and robust reporting via dashboards. Key differences/advantages. Monday.com often stands out for its user-friendly interface and highly visual nature. It's incredibly easy to get started, and its automation recipes are straightforward to set up. While it might not have the deep relational database power of Airtable, its visual workflow capabilities and ease of customization make it appealing for teams that prioritize clarity and simplicity in their work management. Best for teams that prefer a highly visual and intuitive interface, need strong automation capabilities, and want a versatile platform for various types of work management beyond just formal projects, e.g., marketing campaigns, HR onboarding. 3. ClickUp, the all-in-one productivity platform. ClickUp aims to be one app to replace them all, offering a massive array of features that cover project management, task management, document creation, and even communication. Similarities to Smartsheet. ClickUp offers various views, including a highly customizable list view that functions much like a dynamic spreadsheet or grid. It supports dependencies, custom fields, and powerful automation. Collaboration features are core to its design. Key differences/advantages. ClickUp's biggest differentiator is its sheer breadth of features and customization options. It's incredibly flexible, allowing teams to build workflows exactly how they want them. However, this flexibility can also lead to a steeper learning curve initially. It offers built-in docs, whiteboards, and robust reporting, making it a truly all-encompassing workspace. Best for teams looking for an extremely comprehensive and highly customizable platform that can centralize almost all their work in one place. It's particularly strong for teams that require detailed task management and process automation. 4. Rike. For enterprise work management. Rike is a robust collaborative work management platform often favored by larger teams and enterprises due to its powerful features and scalability. Similarities to Smartsheet. Rike offers a grid-like table view for tasks, along with Gantt charts, Kanban boards, and custom workflows. It provides strong collaboration tools, advanced reporting, and automation. Key differences/advantages. Rike excels in enterprise-grade features like robust security, advanced analytics, capacity planning, and comprehensive workload management. It offers deep customization options for workflows and reporting, making it suitable for complex organizational structures and project portfolios. While it shares the grid view, its overall interface can feel more structured and less like a direct spreadsheet copy than Smartsheet or Airtable. Best for larger organizations or project management offices, PMOs, that need a scalable, secure, and feature-rich solution for managing complex projects and portfolios across multiple departments. 5. Google Sheets/Microsoft Excel, with add-ons the DIY powerhouses. While not dedicated project management software, plain old spreadsheets remain highly relevant, especially for teams accustomed to them. With the right add-ons or clever use of formulas and conditional formatting, they can mimic some Smartsheet features. Similarities to Smartsheet. The fundamental grid interface is identical. Both offer real-time collaboration, especially Google Sheets, basic sorting, filtering, and data manipulation. Key differences/advantages. The biggest advantage is cost, often free with existing subscriptions, and familiarity. However, they lack integrated project management views, Gantt, Kanban, native automation beyond simple formulas, and advanced reporting without significant manual effort or third-party add-ons. They aren't built specifically for work management. Best for very small teams or individuals with simple project tracking needs, tight budgets, and a high comfort level with spreadsheet formulas. When combined with specialized add-ons, they can extend their capabilities significantly, but they won't match the native PM functionality of the other tools.